If you get this error in UFL game which says cannot connect to the server, now listen to this very carefully. In most cases, you'll get this error when servers are down. Either this will depend on your device. If you're using PS5, then PlayStation Network servers can be down. Or if you play the game on Steam, then Steam servers may be down. Or if you play this on Xbox, then can be Xbox servers are down. So what you need to do, you can try to wait and also ensure that you have a good internet connection. If you have a good internet connection and you face this issue, then this is a server problem. Just wait for a few hours until the issue is resolved. Now, to check whether your server is down, this will depend on what device you're using to play the game. So if you play this on PS5, just go to PlayStation Network server status, just search it on Google and check the server status, or just check for Steam servers if you play this on PC, as well as for Xbox, check Xbox servers. Now just try to restart your device and the router. Also, if it fails, just wait since servers are down and the issue will resolve by itself.